Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon games step by step. First, you'll begin your adventure by selecting one of 3 starter Pokémon, each representing a different elemental type: grass, fire, or water. Your journey involves exploring a vast region, encountering various wild Pokémon, and engaging in battles with other trainers. Remember to frequently visit Pokémon centers to restore your team's health and stop by Pokémarts to stock up on crucial items like Pokéballs and potions. This initial phase is all about building your foundational team. Once you've started, catching new Pokémon is key to expanding your team. When you encounter a wild Pokémon, weaken it in battle, ideally to low health, before attempting to catch it with a Pokéball. Training involves battling other Pokémon, which earns your team experience points and helps them level up. Many Pokémon evolve into stronger forms at specific levels or when exposed to certain evolutionary items, significantly boosting their power and moveset. Aim for a diverse team of 6 Pokémon. Battles are a core part of the Pokémon experience, relying heavily on strategic type matchups. For instance, a water-type move is super effective against a fire type, but less effective against a grass type. Each Pokémon can learn up to 4 moves, so choose them wisely to cover various situations. Your main goal is to challenge and defeat 8 gym leaders located throughout the region. Each victory earns you a gym badge, signifying your progress and unlocking new abilities. After successfully collecting all 8 gym badges, you gain the right to challenge the formidable Elite Four. This group comprises 4 exceptionally skilled trainers, each specializing in a particular Pokémon type, demanding a well-rounded and powerful team. You must defeat them consecutively without healing at a Pokémon Center. Following your victory over the Elite Four, you will face the reigning Pokémon Champion. Defeat them to claim your rightful place as the new Pokémon Champion, completing your main journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.